Concept 3, using the Pythagorean theorem for measurement. So say we have a distance, but it's a distance that we can't really measure for whatever reason. There's something in the way, maybe it's over water, but it's a distance we can't just run a tape measure or some other measuring device to figure out that distance. That is where the Pythagorean theorem will often come in. Okay, because while we might not be able to measure this distance, the other distances, right, our legs on our triangle might be something that we can easily measure. Okay, for say this is in the city and we are building new subway lines, or we're trying to figure out how much wiring we need for lights underground. If this is a city block, it's easy to measure these lengths, right? If these are two city blocks, it's easy to run a measurement down the street here and down the street here to figure out these distances so we can find our hypotenuse, or the distance we need to measure. Okay, so we're still going to be using the Pythagorean theorem, but now we're going to have to find out what these measurements are. Okay, so if I measure this and I get that it is, say, 4 feet from here to here, and then from here to here we're looking at 7 feet. Okay, those are my distances. I'm still going to use the Pythagorean theorem. 4 squared plus 7 squared is equal to c squared. Okay. Now 4 squared is 16. 7 squared is 49. And that's still equal to c squared. 16 plus 49 is going to be 50. 65. 65 is equal to c squared. And I know this isn't a clean square, right? It's not a perfect square. So when I take the square root of both sides and cancel those out, c is going to equal the square root of 65. But if I need to approximate it, I would grab my calculator and go square root of 65. Okay, it's a little bit over 8. And that makes sense because 8 times 8 is 64. So this is going to be just over. So if I'm, buying wiring or whatever my situation is, I'm going to need a little more than 8 feet. And if I was told to approximate it, I do an about. Okay, so this is going to be about 8.06. Okay, and that is how we use the Pythagorean theorem to find the distance.